Yes, brother, this is Shay. Today we are talking about the feeling of losing connection. This is related to sexual performance anxiety or erection problems. So if you feel like you're avoiding initiating sex because of this fear of what if I can't get it right, or the embarrassment, or let's say your partner initiates sex and there's this kind of awkward, uncomfortable moment where you notice these intrusive thoughts coming into your mind, and ultimately you're feeling like over time now this is creating a loss of connection or creating a void between you and your partner. So that's what the video is about today. I'll be talking and sharing why that happens and also what to do about it, what to do next. So it's totally normal that you would be feeling this is creating a void and a distance between you and your partner, because it does, right? Sometimes we have a partner that can be understanding of it, but often you will know your partner has perhaps said things like, is it me? I don't understand what's going on. This is my worst nightmare of this happening. So as much as your partner may be understanding, there's also questions that's running through your mind, and it feels uncomfortable because you can sense that, you can feel that, and you also don't want them to feel like it's their fault because you know this is not about them. So I just want to say that these feelings, although they're not easy and they do feel uncomfortable, it is normal that you're experiencing this, and it is normal to be concerned about a loss of connection. Because ultimately over time, if this carried on for 1 year, 2 years, it does create a void in the relationship, and in the worst case scenario it can lead to the relationship ending because of this. But we want to avoid that, because it's totally possible for you to have great sex, and actually you deserve to have great sex, you deserve to get this sorted. So what I'm going to do in the comments below is to leave my direct email address, and if you would like a guide, I've put together a 5 simple tips guide. These are things that you can do straight away that will help you to stay hard during sex and avoid ultimately your relationship ending because of this. So if you would like to get that guide, I would just like you to send an email to the email address is shay@shay-doran.com that I've put below, and just to say, send my guide. That's it. Or just say hi, whatever's easiest for you. Okay, and I will send, so that's the first step, is to send me an email saying, send my guide, or just saying hi over to the email in the comments below. Second step, I will then send the guide straight over to you. And then third step is to read that guide. So it's 5 simple things that you can do right now to avoid your relationship ending because of this, and to build back that feeling of connection.